You know the feeling. If you're a buyer from New York or Philadelphia, someone who values space, serenity, and a true escape, you've been told for decades that the Jersey Shore is your answer. I'm here to tell you that the market has changed, and the solution to your urban fatigue is no longer found in the crowded, sandy suburbs of the coast. Let's chat about the Delaware River Valley. This isn't just a place, it's a fundamental change in lifestyle. Your luxury dollar deserves legacy, not gridlock. Think about the typical shore experience. You fight traffic for 4 hours on a Friday, pay a premium for a lot the size of a postage stamp, and spend your weekend hearing your neighbor's conversation over the roar of the ocean. It's an investment in seasonal stress and zero privacy. The Jersey Shore is congested. Delaware River is continuous. It offers nearly 300 miles of diverse, free-flowing riverfront stretching from the Poconos to the Delaware Bay, connecting both Pennsylvania and New Jersey with a ribbon of unparalleled natural sanctuary. Buyers from New York City and Philadelphia are driven by two factors: tranquility and access. The Delaware River delivers both with an exclusivity the coast simply cannot match. In places like Hunterdon and Bucks counties, you're not buying a home, you are buying a landscape. We're talking about legacy estates, multi-acre river compounds, and homes with private riparian ownership. What does that mean? That means your fishing spot, your kayak launch, your sunset view, they are exclusively yours. You are immersed in nature, not surrounded by beachgoers. The genius of the Delaware River Valley is the way it marries seclusion with accessibility. You can be in a secluded four-season retreat in towns like New Hope, Lambertville, Frenchtown, or Milford, and still just be an hour to 90 minutes from Manhattan or Center City, Philadelphia. This is a commuter-friendly retreat offering the luxury of a quiet life without severing your connection to the urban economy. Now let's talk about smart money. Waterfront property is always a premium, but the investment profile here is different. You are investing in scarcity. They aren't making any more pristine, buildable riverfront acreage. If you're tired of fighting the crowds, the high taxes, and the limited availability of the seasonal beach market, it's time to redefine your ideal waterfront. It's time to trade the noise of the shore for the timeless tranquility of the river. As your Delaware River Valley specialist, I know the difference between a tidal inlet and a navigable river, between an ordinary view and an unobstructed river vista. I can help you find your private sanctuary. Contact me today and let's explore your future on the Delaware River. The quiet is waiting.